Mills Chiropractic has been serving Las Vegas for over 25 years. Services here range from a variety of chiropractic treatments to rehabilitation therapy for accident patients. We spoke with Greg Mills of Mills Chiropractic.
We specialize in the neuromusculoskeletal system and the effects that that system has on general health. If all the people in Las Vegas that had headaches knew what a chiropractor does for headaches, we would have a nonstop line.
The accident rate here is one of the highest in the nation, so you must have a lot of accident victims.
We treat a lot of automobile accident patients and workman's compensation patients. Anything involved with trauma, we take care of and help rehabilitate.
Dr. Mills, let's take a look at your facility and
Sure.
some of the rooms and what you have to offer, such as this.
This is a traction table designed specifically for low back traction.
Okay. And in this room?
This is an intersegmental traction table for low back, upper back traction, and an interferential unit to help reduce inflammation.
You've been in the business over 30 years, so I can see that you would have nothing but the very best state-of-the-art equipment.
All of our equipment is state-of-the-art.
Well, it's certainly visible, and it's also very spacious.
We have quite a few patients, and we like to have a little running room.
Well, it looks like you've got it.
Yes, we do.
If you stand on your feet all day, as many Las Vegans do, chiropractic adjustments can keep your back in good shape and reduce the chance of future spinal disorders from occurring. Dealers who are standing on their feet all day, we've heard of this forever. Anybody who's standing on their feet all day, waitresses, anybody in that particular profession, they must need chiropractic.
We have patients from every hotel in town.
With some of the most current state-of-the-art equipment available, Mills Chiropractic can help you with a variety of treatments.
We start out with an examination of the patient to make sure, where we're going to go with him, and a very thorough case history to see where the injuries started or the pain started, and then we palpate and check muscles. There's other things we do, of course. What we're looking for here, Dennis, are lack of normal motion within this area of this patient's spine. He has some upper back difficulties, and we're finding areas that aren't moving as they should normally, and so we're going to adjust that. It's pretty painless, and we don't use a lot of force. And then we go to the area, try to correct it, put motion back into that segment, vertebral segment, and now we can go back in and check, and those areas are moving a little bit better now.
For our viewers of Vegas Deals, is this a typical procedure for the neck and spine?
Yes, it is.
Dr. Mills, what is this procedure?
This is an ultrasound treatment for this gentleman's elbow. He has a tennis elbow, or lateral epicondylitis, we call it, and we're producing heat with sound waves to increase circulation and promote healing.
There's an in-house X-ray facility here to make sure you get an accurate diagnosis and the appropriate treatment. Is every patient required to have an X-ray?
Not every patient is required to have an X-ray, Dennis. We X-ray people that have had trauma and people that reached a certain age to look for arthritis or different pathologies that can arise.
But what you do have is the X-ray equipment right here at the facility, so your patient doesn't have to go elsewhere if they do need an X-ray.
We do all of our X-rays in-house. If we need to send them out for a different study like a CAT scan or an MRI, we have radiologists here in town that help us out with that.
Mills Chiropractic is located at 4124 Rainbow Boulevard. Call them at 646-8700. That's 646-8700.